Introduction to version control. Version control, also known as source control or revision control, is a systematic approach to tracking and managing changes to files, documents, or any digital assets over time. It's an essential practice in software development, content creation, and many other fields where multiple contributors work on the same files or projects. Let's explore why version control is so important and how it works. The need for version control. Collaboration. In a collaborative environment, multiple individuals or teams often need to work on the same set of files. Without version control, managing concurrent changes can be chaotic and error-prone. Change tracking. Version control systems (DVCS) keep a detailed record of every change made to a file, including who made the change, when it was made, and a description of the change. This audit trail is invaluable for accountability and understanding the history of a project. Error recovery. Mistakes happen. With version control, it's relatively easy to revert to a previous working state of a project when an error is introduced. This minimizes the impact of mistakes and reduces downtime. Branching and experimentation. Version control allows developers to create isolated branches, making it possible to work on new features or bug fixes independently. This facilitates experimentation and parallel development efforts. How version control works. Version control systems operate by creating and maintaining a repository, which is a centralized database that stores all versions of files, as well as the history of changes. Here's how it works. Initialization. A project is initialized in a version control system. This process creates a repository and records the initial state of all project files. Commits. As changes are made to the project, developers commit their work to the repository. Each commit represents a specific set of changes made to one or more files. Branching. Developers can create branches, which are separate lines of development that can be merged back into the main project when ready. Branches allow for parallel work without interfering with each other. Merging. When a branch is complete and tested, it can be merged back into the main branch, incorporating the changes into the project. Conflict resolution. When multiple people make changes to the same part of a file simultaneously, conflicts can arise. Version control systems provide tools to resolve conflicts by choosing which changes to keep. Types of version control systems. There are two main types of version control systems. Centralized version control system (DVCS). In DVCS, a central server stores the repository, and users check out copies of files from that central location. Examples include Subversion SV and Perforce. Distributed version control systems (DVCS). In DVCS, every user has a full copy of the repository, making it more distributed and resilient. Git and Mercurial are popular DVCS options. In this course, we will focus on Git, one of the most widely used DVCS, which has gained immense popularity in the software development community for its speed, flexibility, and robust version control capabilities. Whether you are a software developer, content creator, or project manager, understanding version control is essential for efficient collaboration and project management. Let's delve deeper into the world of version control and learn how to harness its power effectively.